Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're tackling a question that comes up a lot in certain online communities. Does a so-called state national have to pay taxes? The short, simple, and legally correct answer is yes. But to understand why, we need to break down what this term means and how it relates to U.S. tax law. The state national concept is primarily used by individuals associated with the sovereign citizen movement. The core belief is that a person can declare themselves a citizen of their specific state, like Texas or Ohio, but not a citizen of the United States as a federal entity. By doing this, they believe they are no longer subject to federal laws, including the requirement to pay federal income tax. However, from a legal standpoint, this argument has no validity. The United States legal system does not recognize this distinction. The 14th Amendment to the Constitution states that all persons born or naturalized in the United States, and subject to the jurisdiction thereof, are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. This means if you are a citizen of California, you are also, by law, a citizen of the United States. There is no legal mechanism to separate one from the other to avoid federal obligations. The Internal Revenue Code, which is the body of law governing taxes, is very clear. It imposes a tax on the income of every U.S. person, which includes citizens and residents of the United States. Federal courts have heard the state national argument hundreds, if not thousands, of times, and they have rejected it every single time. The courts consistently label these arguments as frivolous and without any legal merit. Attempting to use this status to avoid paying taxes can lead to severe consequences. The IRS can impose hefty fines and penalties for failure to file and failure to pay. They can place liens on your property, garnish your wages, and seize your bank accounts. In more serious cases, it can lead to criminal prosecution for tax evasion, which can result in significant prison time. It's important not to confuse the self-declared state national status with the legitimate legal term U.S. national, which applies to individuals born in certain U.S. territories like American Samoa. Even these U.S. nationals are generally subject to U.S. income tax on their worldwide income. So, to be perfectly clear, declaring yourself a state national does not exempt you from your federal tax obligations. It is a legal theory that has been repeatedly and uniformly rejected by the U.S. court system and the IRS. Relying on it is a path to serious financial and legal trouble. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this cleared up some confusion on a complex topic. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more straightforward explanations of legal and financial questions. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video.